Wait, hold on. What?
Man, look, we was shooting dice with these young cats. They took his money because he blind. They took my money because I can't count. Now we need you. Man, y'all over here shooting these preschool dice. But these big booty dice, what? Come on. I'm finna take all y'all money real quick on my daddy. On my daddy. What that is, G?
It's Joe. It's Joe.
How many dots you count, G?
4.
4 dots? Alright. But take how much money y'all got out here? Y'all ain't got no real paper money? Cash out.
Cash out.
On my daddy. What that is, G?
Man, you out the door, man.
The door.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No, you not the door. It's outside.
What out the door mean?
You in that?
I'm in the house.
No,
you got cash out.
You got cash out.
And I got my other man's over here. My other man gonna come get y'all money too.
Nah, man.
You got cash.
I'm shooting these juicy dice.
I got Zell.
I got Zell.
And my man, we can do that.
You can shoot on.
Don't want let my mans get some.
Shoot on.
But he can't even see, can he?
I shoot. I got it. They're right there.
I got it.
I got it.
There you go. There you go, G. What you got, bro? That's 7 right there. That's 7.
Okay. Hold up. Don't nobody move. Don't nobody get hurt. That was my first time rolling, so I win. Cash
You
out.
got
Nah,
it.
you win.
Cash out my man. Cash out my man 200 right now.
For what?
What?
It's
I
a
won.
6.
It was a sell.
That's 7. Get back to him.
Alright, Shoot again. Shoot again.
All right.
No.
I see. I mean, I'm blind. I'm blind.
That's 7.
I won again. I just hit the 6 the first time.
That's 7.
You said I hit the 6 the first time.
That's 8.
Hey, bro, man. Play out there, man.
You said.
Come on, now that's 7 right
Wait
there.
a minute.
Go ahead and shoot the dice, man. Roll the
My
dice.
shot. My shot.
What
Roll
is
the dice,
it?
young blood. You ain't got nothing, man. Come
Now,
on.
I ain't heard my cash out. I didn't hear. I ain't heard my cash out.
You ain't roll that.
Huh?
You win that.
We gonna roll together.
I ain't heard my cash out. My cash out supposed to say ching ching.
7.
Caught that. I mean, it looked like it feels like it was caught in the crack. I can't see.
No.
I can't see.
Trying to rob it, man.
I can't see. Y'all didn't got. Stole my money. Ain't my cash.
Wait, hold on. What's
Man, look, we was shooting dice with these young cats. They took his money because he blind. They took my money because I can't count. We need you to go over there and go get our money back, man.
Told y'all quit fooling with these young. Yo, we lost all.
So what we supposed to do? We supposed to go over there and fight?
I needed some rent money, man, so I had to shoot the dice.
I can't
But
even go
look,
my girlfriend.
we ain't
My wife
look,
already
these some young cats. We gonna go over there.
They skin, they big,
Look,
they skin what?
Man, they some skinny little young dudes shooting dice. We gonna tackle from the back, no homo. We gonna knock them out. Come on. That's him right there.
That's him right there. Excuse me. I say excuse me. Hey,
We can't get our money back.
why y'all do these two gentlemen like that, man? Give these men their money. They fault.
No, man. You gotta work for your money back.
Yeah, come on, get his money back. Now, he gotta pay his rent, man. I gotta go to my girlfriend house. My wife put me out. Wife can put him out. Gotta go to girls.
They're personal, man. You can't out here lost your money, man.
Look, we either gonna give us the money back or we gonna fight for it back.
Don't kill out. I ain't going for none of that. Y'all can trip.
Hold on.
Trip.
I'm saying.
I just gotta pay my rent. I just need to pay my rent, man.
No.
Any jacket shit forever, I'ma die by this shit. We might pull up to your side with no stick, with no tinting.